Hey guys, what's up? It's Bella. Welcome back to my channel. In no way, shape, or form am I trying to look cute right now, like at all. But I am about to reorganize my bathroom. Like kind of get all of, oh my god, there's me, what's up? Kind of like get all of my stuff together in my drawers. I have 3 main drawers that I really want to purge because I know I don't use a lot of the stuff in them and it's all just like super excess. So I'm gonna do that, and I really love watching these type of videos, like the organizing, because it helps me get motivated to organize. Casey Holmes, she did her like reorganizing my makeup collection or whatever. Literally the next day I reorganized my makeup collection. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and I'm gonna do a series of like reorganizing like my whole room, my closet, my beauty room, my drawers, like with my clothes, etc. Let me know down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so when you walk into my bathroom, I have this huge custom made piece that I love. Oh my god, like it's my favorite thing about my bathroom when I got my bathroom redone. It's just so elegant. So this is what it looks like. But in these 3, I keep everything. So up here, it's miscellaneous. You guys, I need to fix this. So I have like cotton rounds and like my contacts and like beauty blender cleaner and like an extra cleanser or whatever. So I need to like organize, but that looks so bad. And here I have like my like medicine, I guess you would say, my Halo Beauty, which I'm obsessed with. Video coming soon on that. My Ollie sleeping gummies and a lot of like hair products. And then this last one I have like shampoos and self tanners and body lotions and like body mists and like extra soaps and like body shimmers and some deodorant. Like this one is a wreck. So I'm going to organize all 3 of these. Okay, so this was everything that was in the bottom drawer. So I kind of put everything in sections. So these are like all of my like body mists. These are not like what I call perfumes in my opinion, because these don't really last that long. I consider these just like a quick body mist. All my perfumes are in my beauty room, so that's that. So I have all of my self tanner stuff back here, which I need to go through 100%. So all my self tanning stuff is back there. I have a couple of like these really small shampoos and type of stuff back here, which I don't have a lot of, but and then I have all of my deodorants, which I don't need this many, but the terrible thing is that this is my favorite deodorant and I cannot find it, and I'm almost out. It's like so top heavy because it's almost gone, but I have a couple of these. I just cannot find these deodorants anywhere. I don't know what happened. I've been trying out this one and it's not my favorite. I don't really think it does much, but definitely gonna go through those. And then over here, I have some extra soaps for both of my hand washing area. Back here, I have some lotions. So I have the Boom Boom Cream. I have the Hemp's, which is my favorite. This Vaseline one that's really, really good. And then over here, I just have like a random like little bath bottle. Like, what is it? It's like a bath soap. Oh, yeah, a bath fizzy soap. I could not get the word out. And then I have like this random like really fancy bath bomb. And then I have all of my self tanning mitts, and I have these like a turby twist type of thing, and then like a hair shower cap. I am 100% keeping these because I actually really love those. These I really love. These are the Fresh and Clean, the Vacay scent, and this is the Sunkissed Vacay scent. I love these. But I'm going to be getting rid of the Fresh and Clean original scent and then the Warm and Cozy because I think I've had these for too long. I really like the Fresh and Clean Vacay scent instead, and then I really like the Sunkissed Vacay scent, and it's kind of close to Warm and Cozy, so I'm just going to keep my 2 newer ones and toss those to somebody who wants them. And this goes with my perfumes, but this smells amazing. My cousin Seth got this for me for my birthday last year. And oh my god, oh wait, whoops, I just broke it. I underestimated how good it smells. It just smells really good, and it's so sad because like I feel like I'm gonna be out so soon. So I'm definitely gonna have to go get another one because I really, really do love this scent so much. So out of this deodorant section, I'm obviously keeping all 3 of these. But I'm not keeping this. I didn't like this. I thought it was too thick and it actually made me more sweaty. And I'm definitely keeping this because I want to get my last couple uses out of this. This was pretty good. gonna keep that. But this, I was not the biggest fan of, so I'm also gonna get rid of that. So out of all my self-tanners, I haven't tried these yet. These are the Cocoa Brown Shimmering Dry Body Oils. But they look amazing, like for in the summer or whatever, like when I wear a dress. So I'm definitely gonna keep those, because I wanna use those in the summer. And then I also have the Cocoa Brown Dark Shade 1 Hour Tanning Mousse. And I tried this and I didn't like it, but I also don't think I was that moisturized. Like my skin was like super moisturized, so it was like really patchy on me. So I gotta do it the right way, and I didn't exfoliate before. So I'm gonna try this again, and I have an extra one, but I'm not gonna open this one until I try this one more time. So in here I have the Saint Tropez finishing gloss. From what I remember, this was like super sticky. Actually, it's not as sticky as I thought it was, but that's actually pretty nice. It has like a really pretty veil, so I actually am gonna keep that. Next, I have this Saint Tropez bronzing mousse, the classic self tan, and I am gonna keep that because I got it for free. So, and I'm gonna try it. So I love self tanning, so yeah, I'm gonna keep that. Vita Liberata Body Blur in the shade Medium Latte. I love this stuff. It is so good. My Loving Tan 2 Hour Express Dark. Definitely keeping. I love that. I am almost out of this, but I'm still going to keep it. This is the St. More's Medium Tanning Mousse. And I'm also going to keep the dark shade. Now this tanning lotion is so amazing for any self-tanner. Like you can pair this with any self-tanner. It could be St. More's, Saint Tropez, Loving Tan. It doesn't have to be from St. More's, but this one specifically is so good. Gotten a lot of people hooked on this. You just self-tan, and every day you apply this and it'll just keep the tan on longer. It's really moisturizing. I bought this to try from Target, and I am gonna try it. It looks pretty nice. I guess it has like some sort of like similarity to the Saint Tropez finishing gloss, and then it also has a similarity to the Ofra Body Illuminizer, which I am also gonna keep because I really do like this, and I'm almost out, so like why not finish it up. Oh, and this is the Victoria's Secret Tease Flower Fragrance Lotion. Let me smell this and see if I remember liking it. Yeah, this does smell pretty good, so I'm gonna keep that. I just bought this because I've had oily roots lately, so I've been trying this out and I really love it, so I'm keeping that. And then this over here, I'm gonna put in this little pot. Boom Boom Creams, I'm 100% keeping because those are amazing. The Sparkling Holly Berries, I'm gonna get rid of that. And then I'm also gonna get rid of both of these scents and give them to somebody who wants them or donate them because I haven't used those either. Next, I have the Ooh So Sexy Fragrance Lotion, and Ooh So Sexy is one of my favorite perfumes from Victoria's Secret, so I'm definitely keeping this. So over here in the lotions, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this and throw it out because I can't like pump out the rest through the pump. It just doesn't come out, so then I have to like take it out and scrape it, which I don't like doing when I have a fresh new bottle right here to use. So this is also going in the trash. I do really like this lotion, but I don't feel like it does the best. I feel like my Hempst are so much better, which I'm keeping these two. So I'm gonna go ahead and donate that to somebody who can utilize it. I know this probably looks still quite trashy, but compared to before, I think I got rid of a good amount of stuff from this. And now we're moving on to the hair and like pill. Okay, so this is the hair and medication drawer. Starting with this, I don't really like my hair curly too much, and I don't like the texture that this gave my hair. It was like super grainy, so not keeping that. And then I have like a brand new one right here, so somebody will definitely enjoy those. Then I have the Not Your Mother's Way to Grow Leave-In Conditioner, and I actually did like this. This is pretty good to keeping the ends less split and more together, so I think I'm gonna keep this. Okay, so next I have the 4 of the Batiste dry shampoo. I'm gonna get rid of all 4 of these. One, I'm not a fan of Batiste. I don't really like their dry shampoo. I just felt like it like made a really weird texture in my hair that I really can't explain, but I was not a fan. Next I have the Kenra Root Lifting Spray. It's a foam. Normally I wouldn't use something like this, like really actually ever. I like my Orbe dry texturizing spray, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this as well. Kenra Hot Spray, I have 2 of these, and I do like these when I do my hair. I don't spray a lot because then it can get like really hard and not cool, so I'm gonna keep both of these actually. And then I have 2 of the Bedhead Masterpiece Massive Shine Hairspray. I don't really use hairspray, being totally honest. It's not something that I really use, so I am going to get rid of both of these as well. You know what? In case I ever do need hairspray, I'm going to keep the one that's like more full. Yeah, I'm going to keep it. And then I have the Wave Spray, and I do like this if I ever do want curls. I feel like this doesn't add a weird texture to my hair, and it just does add curls, and it smells really good. And then this is so good. I need to use this more when I do my hair curly, which is like rare. This is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day and Shower Styler. What you do is you put this in your hair like while you're in the shower, barely rinse it out for like 10 seconds, and it leaves your hair so pretty, beach wavy, and curly. I definitely love using this more in the spring and the summer, so it's about that time, so I'm going to definitely use this. And this shower cap I've had for a really long time, and I'm going to go get rid of that because I do have this new one right here. Oh my gosh, this is literally going to be crazy. So my Halo Beauty I am keeping. I love these, and they help me sleep so well. Basically, this is just stuff that I keep in case like I go on trips and stuff. I don't really use this stuff on a daily basis. This drawer looks so much better. And then in this third one, it's not really much. Definitely keeping this. Boom. This is the best this drawer is ever gonna get. And I will catch you guys in my next video, hopefully. Bye, guys.